The winter solstice occurs when the sun reaches the Tropic of Capricorn. For those living in the northern hemisphere, we have the shortest day and the longest night of the year. The solstice marks the official start of winter. In an astrological sense, the winter solstice marks the beginning of Capricorn season and closely corresponds to the start of our Gregorian calendar new year. Equinoxes and solstices correspond to the four cardinal zodiac signs: Aries, Cancer, Libra, and Capricorn, and each of those signs initiates a new season. Capricorn is cardinal earth sign. During this period of the year, we are reminded of how we'd like to build and establish our legacy. This frequently is tied to public life, professional achievement, and career goals. During this time, we can strategize our plans, harness that Capricorn discipline, and get to work. For people living on the East Coast, the Sun will enter Capricorn at 4:48 p.m. on December 21st and will be placed in the 6th house. The Sun represents how you express your will and your true self. Capricorn energy is hardworking, traditional, resourceful, and seeks status and respect. The 6th house is about your day-to-day work environment or your personal health. It also deals with coworkers or employees. This solstice energy reflects a more serious, business-like attitude about life. Your practical, pragmatic side will help you put your nose to the grindstone to get things done. It will also help you deal with those you'll need to interact with. Whenever the Sun enters a cardinal sign at 0 degrees 0 minutes, this is also known as the Aries point. An Aries point signals the beginning of a new astrological season. It is signified by the solstices and equinoxes, which occur in the cardinal signs of Aries, Cancer, Libra, and Capricorn. A planet conjunct 0 degrees and 0 minutes in one of these cardinal signs is said to be located at an Aries point in the chart. This year, the Sun in this solstice chart is closely aspecting the Ascendant and Descendant, so your activities will be more visible to the public. Jupiter enters the sign of Aries the previous day, so both the Sun and Jupiter are at Aries points in this chart. Jupiter is the apex planet of the T-square with the Sun and the Ascendant. It will be the focus of the action. Jupiter in Aries in the 10th house of career will be within 7 minutes of an exact square with the Sun. Sun square Jupiter tests your discipline and self-restraint, which can be a challenge for that impulsive Aries energy. But by channeling the initiating energy of Aries constructively, you'll be able to explore new career opportunities, especially with Jupiter square the Ascendant, bringing new people into your life. Venus in Capricorn in the 7th house is trine Uranus in Taurus in the 11th house. Venus is about how you receive love and the things you value in life. Capricorn energy is faithful, serious, and traditional. The 7th house is about close partnerships, which can often relate to a spouse, but with Venus in Capricorn could indicate a business partner. Uranus is about the unexpected in life, changes that occur that you did not exactly plan for. The earth sign of Taurus is steady and dependable and avoids change. It might seem that Uranus and Taurus are diametrically opposite energies, but it best translates as change undertaken at a slow, methodical pace. The 11th house is about interactions with large groups of friends, humanitarian efforts, and world causes. It also deals with technology, science, and the unusual. What might this mean? In different signs, the trine between Venus and Uranus would lean towards an unexpected love affair. However, with the grounded Earth energies of Capricorn and Taurus involved, it is more likely to be an unexpected business partnership. With the lunar nodes in positive aspect with Venus and Capricorn, whatever happens involves a karmic experience. Mercury in Capricorn in the 7th house is sextile Neptune in Pisces in the 10th house. Saturn in Aquarius in the 9th house is almost exactly at the midpoint between the two other planets. Mercury in Capricorn is a difficult Earth energy for the planet. Mercury becomes so focused on the practical, it can miss the opportunity of exploring new possibilities. In the 7th house, the focus is on personal relationships. Mercury is positively aspected with Neptune in Pisces in the 10th house of career. Neptune is the planet of illusions, and in Pisces, you'll want to believe that the illusions are true. In the 10th house, those illusions are about your career. The positive aspect with the grounded practicality of Capricorn, which rules the 10th house, will help rein in some of the illusions of Neptune. To further assist you with grounding, Saturn is in the fixed air sign of Aquarius at the midpoint between Mercury and Neptune. A midpoint is a mathematical point halfway between two planets. In this chart, the planet Saturn is within 3 minutes of being exactly at the midpoint between the planets Mercury and Neptune. While most astrologers consider a close midpoint to be within 1 degree, this midpoint is almost exact. In this position, Saturn will restrain Neptune's illusions with logic. You'll need to confirm your intuition with real-world facts. What may sound like a close associate or family member acting like a wet blanket regarding your business plans may actually be good advice. Make sure that you do your due diligence, check your facts, and validate your assumptions before moving forward with new plans. In summary, this year, the Winter Solstice chart has the Sun in the Earth sign of Capricorn placed in the 6th house. This solstice energy reflects a more serious, business-like attitude about life. Your practical, pragmatic side will help you put your nose to the grindstone to get things done. It will also help you deal with those you'll need to interact with. Jupiter in Aries is T-square with the Sun and the Ascendant, and will be the focus of the action. By channeling the initiating energy of Aries constructively, you'll be able to explore new career opportunities, especially with Jupiter square the Ascendant, which brings new people into your life. Normally, the trine between Venus and Uranus would lean towards an unexpected love affair. However, with the grounded Earth energies of Capricorn and Taurus involved, it is more likely to be an unexpected business partnership, possibly in the areas dealing with technology, science, and the unusual. Mercury sextile Neptune and midpoint Saturn will add restraint to the equation. What may sound like a close associate or family member acting like a wet blanket may actually be good advice. Make sure that you do your due diligence, check all your facts, and validate your assumptions before moving forward with new plans. Thank you for watching. If you would like to be notified of future videos, please subscribe and click the notify bell icon so you'll know when new videos come out. If you enjoyed the video, please click on the thumbs up icon.